Finding the right waterproof tape can be a real headache, especially when leaks and repairs are on the line. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Gorilla Tough and Clear Tape. First up is the Gorilla Tough and Clear Double-Sided Mounting Tape. I was drawn to this product because it promises heavy-duty strength in a clear tape, which is a game-changer for indoor and outdoor use, priced competitively for what it offers. If you want a reliable way to mount items up to 38 pounds without visible tape, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. This tape has an industrial-strength weatherproof adhesive that works in any weather, which means you can use it for outdoor projects without freaking out about rain ruining your work. Plus, it grips all kinds of surfaces: wood, stone, stucco, you name it. With 150 inches at your disposal, it's perfect for those big projects where you don't want to run out halfway through. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're mounting a shelf in your living room or fixing something outside, you need something that won't let you down. Now, some people complained about the tape not sticking well enough on certain slick surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you prep your surfaces properly and make sure they're clean, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It might just be a challenge for those who are less patient. This is perfect for you if you're looking to handle multiple mounting tasks both indoors and outdoors without worrying about visibility. Skip this one if you need to stick it to really slick surfaces without any prep work. For the price and performance, it's a solid buy. Now, if the clear design of the Gorilla Tough and Clear Tape isn't quite what you're looking for, the next option brings a more traditional black tape to the table. Product number 2: Gorilla Heavy Duty Black Tape. Next on the list is the Gorilla Heavy Duty Double-Sided Mounting Tape in black. I found its strong mounting capability of up to 60 pounds really impressive, especially for those heavier items you want to secure. If you want a tape that can hold even more weight while remaining discreet, this one's a worthy contender. But why does this matter? Well, the industrial-strength adhesive is designed to work in all conditions and grips uneven surfaces well, so it's perfect for those tricky spots where traditional tape fails. You can use this tape for projects indoors or out without worrying about the weather messing it up. With 120 inches of tape, it's more than enough for most tasks. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to remove once it's set, which can be frustrating. Here's my take: while that can be a hassle if you need to reposition things often, it also means once it's up, it's not going anywhere. Just be sure you're happy with your placement before you stick it down. This is perfect for those who need a strong hold for heavier items and don't mind a little permanence. Skip this if you frequently change your decor or need repositioning. For the strength it offers, it's definitely worth considering. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually surprise you with its versatility. Product number 3: Gorilla Tape Tough and Wide. The third product is the Gorilla Tape Tough and Wide, which really caught my eye with its nearly 3-inch width. This tape is designed for tougher jobs, and if you need something that offers a lot of surface area for big repairs, this is worth a look. Here's why this tape stands out. The double-thick adhesive means it can handle even the most demanding tasks, whether you're repairing something heavy-duty or sealing up gaps. It's weather-resistant, so rain or shine, you can count on it to hold up. Plus, it grips all those rough surfaces we talked about earlier, making it super reliable for outdoor use. One downside I noticed is that some users feel it's a bit overkill for lighter tasks, which makes sense. Here's the thing though, if you're tackling big jobs and need that extra strength, this is your go-to. For light projects, it might be more tape than you need, but for serious repairs, it's a lifesaver. This tape is perfect if you're working on heavy-duty tasks or outdoor repairs and need that extra width. Skip this one if you're only doing light repairs around the house. For the durability it brings, it's definitely worth the investment. Now, if you're interested in something that can tackle those pesky outdoor jobs, the next product is ideal. Product number 4: Gorilla All-Weather Duct Tape. Next up is the Gorilla All-Weather Duct Tape, a favorite for outdoor repairs thanks to its UV and temperature-resistant qualities. I love that it's engineered to withstand the elements, making it perfect for anyone who needs reliable tape for outdoor projects. What makes this tape special is its weatherproof design. With a service temperature range of 0 degrees F to 200 degrees F, you can apply it in a variety of conditions, and it won't dry out or crack under pressure. This means you're covered for everything from sealing leaks to making quick fixes on the go. Plus, it's strong enough to hold up against moisture and sunlight, which is crucial for outdoor use. However, some users have reported that the adhesive can lose its stickiness over time if exposed to extreme conditions for long periods. Here's the deal though. If you're using it for short-term fixes or during moderate weather, it's still a solid choice. For long-term solutions in harsh conditions, you might want something else. This tape is perfect if you need a reliable solution for outdoor repairs and can handle a variety of weather conditions. Skip this one if you need something that lasts forever in the harshest environments. For temporary fixes, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle leaks and repairs even better, you'll want to check out the next one. Product number 5, Flex Tape. Finally, we have Flex Tape, which is marketed as a super strong rubberized waterproof tape that can even be applied underwater. I found this tape intriguing because it's designed to bond, seal, and repair just about anything, making it a must-have for emergency repairs. What caught my attention is that it conforms to any shape, meaning you can use it on irregular surfaces without worrying about gaps. The fact that it's UV resistant and can handle extreme weather conditions adds to its appeal, especially for those unexpected outdoor jobs. It's also easy to apply in wet conditions, which opens up a lot of possibilities. However, some users have noted that it can be a bit pricey compared to traditional duct tape options. Here's the thing, while it may cost more upfront, if you're dealing with leaks and repairs, it can save you a lot in the long run by preventing further damage. This tape is perfect for anyone needing a quick fix for leaks or bonding tasks, especially in challenging conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for indoor projects. For its utility in emergencies, it's definitely worth the price. Now let's wrap up and compare these options so you can find the best tape for your needs. So to wrap it all up, we've covered some seriously strong waterproof tapes. The Gorilla Tough and Clear tape is great for clear mounting needs, while the Gorilla Heavy Duty Black tape offers superior strength for heavier items. The Gorilla Tape Tough and Wide is perfect for big jobs, and the Gorilla All-Weather Duct Tape is ideal for outdoor repairs. Finally, Flex Tape is your go-to for emergency fixes, especially underwater. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with Gorilla Tape Tough and Wide because of its versatility and strength for tough tasks. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding any tape that doesn't fit your specific needs, like the Gorilla All-Weather Tape if you're looking for something strictly for indoor use. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.